has it been a few days or even a few weeks after your liposuction or plastic surgery procedure and you still have swelling and you're just not sure what to do? Well, I have some tips that may help. My name is Kathleen Lisson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist, board certified massage therapist, and I have a practice in San Diego where I help clients after liposuction, tummy tucks, Brazilian butt lifts, and facelifts to reduce swelling in their face and body. I'm also the author of the Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook. This book is in paperback on Amazon.com, and I highly recommend it if you are going to go through surgery in the next year, or you've undergone surgery in the last few weeks or months. It's definitely a great resource. So I wanted to share with you Chapter 3, and here's the beginning of Chapter 3, all about reducing swelling. So I want to kind of go quickly over this chapter to see what's in it. So the first is a question my clients often ask me: why is my swelling actually getting worse? And I reveal the research that shows that liposuction swelling does get worse in the first few weeks afterwards. So it's completely understandable that you would be frustrated because your clothes that you bought and wore before liposuction actually aren't fitting you, and it's been weeks since your liposuction and you spent all that money. So this book is going to give you the tips on how to reduce that swelling, get into those smaller clothes that you want to get into. So I start off with how can I reduce swelling after surgery, and my top ways are the manual lymphatic drainage massage, exercise and joint movement, which you'll have to get your surgeon's permission to do exercise, belly breathing, and I share how you can start to belly breathe, external compression, so that's your faja and your foams, kinesiology taping, vibration, and also some cooling treatments. And then as you can see, I go in detail, a few pages, more information on each of these ways that you can reduce swelling. And then just really a lot of information about compression, about foam, what foams you should use. I have a recipe on how you should wear your foams inside of your faja garment, and then also tips. Do you have a too tight compression garment? Is your compression garment too loose? Is it bunching or leaving lines in your skin? That's very important to get that taken care of. And then, did you get foam pieces? Are you placing them right inside of your faja in the correct order so you get that even compression? And then just a lot more compression garment tips. So there's more to wearing the compression garment and taking care of it and making sure it gives you the compression that you need than just reading, the tiny labels in the back of them. I share what sun does to compression, being in the sunlight, what greasy lotions does to compression. And then also how to reduce swelling when you travel. A lot of my clients, in the weeks and months after their surgery, they have to get on a plane. They have to go for a long car drive. It's just part of their work, and they're back to work. They have to make money. So these are some tips that you can have to reduce that swelling. Also water, both drinking water and getting into the pool, which is my super secret, amazing tip. After your doctor lets you get into the pool, getting into the pool will really, really help. And then I cover vibration, how you can use vibration, and then also several cooling treatments. And you see I have pictures of a face mask, a face roller, those wonderful jade rollers, and how you can use that. And then I have information on dry brushing, a lot of tips on dry brushing. A lot of things I see out there are not the right way to dry brush. I show you the map of the body so you can dry brush to get that swelling out correctly. So that is my tips on swelling. It's an entire chapter in this book. If you have frustrations with swelling after your plastic surgery, after your liposuction, your Brazilian butt lift, your abdominoplasty, and even your facelift, I have some tips on facelift swelling here in a later chapter. Definitely pick up a copy of this book and have a great day.